Hello, today I'm going to explain briefly how this dashboard could work interactively. First of all, I should mention that this dashboard contains the data of most top-notch players, most 300 top-notch players of the FIFA 2022 datasets. First of all, we have the parallel coordinates of a skills plot at the above of the dashboard. It's the parallel coordinates of different skills of these players, and it contains different kinds of skills like attacking, related skills, defensive, and even goalkeeping. And here we have two histograms for values and age of the players, so we can compare these skills regarding these two attributes. And here we have a sliding bar to select a specific range of values, and here finally we have a pie chart for international reputation of these top-notch 300 players. So if I want to briefly explain how we can get in some insights from this dashboard. For example, we can see how these attributes could correlate with each other. For example, if we select those players that do very well in attacking finishing skill, we can see that these players also do very well in positioning attribute, which is another attacking related skill. Or maybe if we choose those players that do very well on defending tackling, we can see that they also do very well on aggression, which is necessary for a defender. And similarly, we can do the same thing for other attributes and skills to see what attributes are correlated with them. And we also can see the relationship between the positions and these skills. For example, we can see that for each skill, there are only few attributes that matter. For example, regarding the goalkeepers, there is only goalkeeping reflexes attribute that matters, and it's obvious. There is no need for a goalkeeper to have, for example, a skill curve or dribbling. And for other positions, like for example, central attack midfielders, uh, it's very good for them to have attacking short passing. Passing is very important for midfielders, especially attacking midfielders. And also, they are very good at dribbling and skill curve. Um, and for another, for example, defensive position like central defensive midfielder, it has another story. For example, they're very good at tackling and aggression, um, but they are not very good at dribbling because they have defensive characteristics. So we have do the same thing for other positions to see which skills are necessary for them. And because we have only 300 top-notch players, we know that these players shown, for example, for central defensive midfielders are very top-notch at their position. So we can say that for top-notch defensive midfielders, it's necessary to be good at mentality aggression or defending tackles, because this is the plot for most top-notch players for every position. And another insight we can get of this dashboard is the relationship between the age and values. For example, we can select the range of the ages to select the players older than 30. We can see that their values start from 0 to $120 million dollars. And if we select the younger players, for example, sorry, for example, select this range, the players younger than 30, we can see that the beans start from $20 million to even uh, $200 million. So we can obviously see that the younger players are more valuable if we compare this plot to the previous one for players older than 30, which means that the players younger than 30 are much more suitable for playing football, and they are at the top of their career when they are younger than 30. Um, yeah, that's it. Also, we can analyze the relationship between ages and values with these parallel coordinates above to see what are the connections between age and specific skills. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video.